Setbacks in business. How do you deal or handle setbacks when this occurs? You have to remember setbacks are bound to happen in the beginning stages, or even if you are doing business for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, you will always explore and experience setbacks. What you need to remind yourself is you are going to continue and look for the lesson in the setback. Maybe the lesson would be you just need to rest or you need to take a break. Why? Maybe you are just going through being over exhausted or drained, or you are working too hard. Remember, you can build a prison for yourself when you are doing business, meaning your business can control you unless, major key, you have systems in place, you have a team, you have systems, onboarding systems, on-call systems, Zoom systems, or a sales funnel that works and operates on complete autopilot. So, coming back to setbacks, I explore and experience setbacks on multiple occasions, and that is good just for you to rest and to be mindful and open hearted on analyzing and thinking what can you do differently or what must you start implementing. This can be a change shift on how you are viewing, perceiving, and analyzing how setbacks can actually be good for you in general, meaning you can rest and pivot and change strategy and shift gears on what you need to dial down on or triple down on. Where you put your focus is where you get your results. So do not perceive or view setbacks as, this is a negative thing. Now, many people, when they go through setbacks, they feel like quitting, or some people tend to quit for a month, for 5 months, for a year, and eventually pivot and next on and hop on to the next business venture. But instead, ask yourself, what is the lesson, the key lesson that I can learn and implement to see a different result?